Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change language on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to change the language on your Infinix Hot 40i device can be important for many reasons. First, multilingual users. If you speak or understand multiple languages, changing the language settings allow you to interact with your device in a language that you are most comfortable with. Second, accessibility. For users who are more proficient in a language other than the default language, changing the language settings can improve accessibility and usability. So let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, open settings menu on your device. Okay, so now please scroll down till you find system option. Tap on it. Okay, next you can select language and input option. Then tap on languages. So now click other language, and in this page you can select your favorite language and tap apply language here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change the language on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.